Video 259, we don't have time, so go here for a longer explanation. In the legal stuff section, we got these, and this is commented out. In the ArtGirl macros, we have tags, define things. We have these macros here, and then we have this shorthand function reference for texel fetch. We have these different integer types, and we have these for seeking to the correct level and the correct level pack. So that's all for the ArtGirl macros. In the shader lookup tables for ArtGirl, we have tags, define things easier. We have the tile size exponent to diagonal offset lookup table. We have this new lookup table. There's a diagram for it if you want to check that out. And it is a two-dimensional version of these two paired lookup tables right here. This should look kind of familiar to you. We've added this new section to get the correct tile values out of our data set directly beneath grouted tile inset. And there are a whole bunch of macros for what different things are, and I believe there are explanations if you want them. Seek to the correct cell on our level pack for the correct level. And then with this G25 value, we're going to use that lookup table to get the correct block of memory on the texture containing the 128 by 128 pixels for a current level, the RXY value. This is the where we're getting the pixel from, the actual pixel value. This is the pixel location, the tile location locally, the diagonal offset, the tile size, the 5 different tiles we're going to need to auto tile, and we're going to loop through all of the different tiles. We got to adjust by 1 to go through 0 to 6 inclusively, diagonal offset, the local tile value, and then we're going to seek to the correct pixel on the texture. So seek to the correct level pack, seek to the correct level, no seeking for geometry because it's at layer 0, 0, diagonal offset, and the local tile value. Once we have this location, we can then sample it to get the bytes out, but something is going wrong here. I don't know what's going wrong, and then we're going to put that value into the last slot into this array as a bit packed value. So we have this little macro up here for bit packing that we're going to use for that, and then eventually we're going to do these two things here, but we're running out of time. So devs I'm stalking on YouTube, and then a whole bunch of diagrams, and then at the very bottom we have what we did in this video. So go to the longer video if you need a longer explanation. This has been video 259.